Hitchhiker Chance Hart. Who's gonna take the victory in the Not bad. That's Now let's see what we have. It's not over yet, Dawson Creek. Make some noise for Andrew and there. It's Dawson Creek versus Bruce Mill in the obstacle pole race. Who's gonna take the victory in this obstacle course event? And it looks like Dawson Creek has taken quite the lead. Will they take the win? Will Dawson Creek take the win? It's still anybody's competition, ladies and gentlemen. And there we have it. Make some noise, Dawson Creek. On my mark.